guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials. And in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix Rainbow Six Siege just stuck in the loading screen. So let's just say you go to Epic Games Launcher, you launch it, or you go from Ubisoft Connect and it's just stuck on that loading screen. It says like looking for patches or whatever. Now in order to fix that issue, all you have to do is just open up the task manager, which you can do by either clicking on Control Shift and Escape at the same time, or just searching it up in the search bar. But anyways, once the task manager is open, you want to basically just look for Ubisoft Connect under background processes. You can just type it up here to make it easier, and what you want to do is you want to right click on them and hit end task, and you want to basically just do that until everything has been ended. Now once everything has been ended, you can go ahead and just X out of the task manager. You can start up Epic Games Launcher again, and then you can go ahead and launch Rainbow Six Siege, or you can just do it from Ubisoft Connect as well, and then the error code should be good. You guys should be good, and the game should launch now. So yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.